Hello, this is Timothy Perfect from Twocanoes Software, and I wanted to show you how you can use Winclone 8 to mount a NTFS volume or Windows volume ReadWrite. So the first thing I'll do is I'll show you I do indeed have a Windows volume on this machine, and it has Windows 10 version 1903. And you can see that if I go up here and I try to create a new folder, I'm not able to create new folders grayed out because this is a read-only volume. So what we're going to do is use Winclone 8 to be able to mount it ReadWrite. So if I go up to the Tools menu and choose the Mount ReadWrite option, and I select the volume as Windows, and I click on Mount. What that does is it mounts it ReadWrite. So now when I go up to the File menu, I can do New Folder, and I can say my Windows files, and I can create it, and I can delete that folder if I want to. So now you're able to write to it, and those files will be accessible on the Windows side once you boot into Windows. If you wanted to mount it as read-only again, simple to do. You just open up Disk Utility in your Utilities folder, click on the Windows volume and unmount it. Takes a moment, and then mount it again. And now when I go back to my computer, you can see that the Windows I can no longer create a folder, and so it's now mounted as read-only. So thanks very much for watching, and be sure to check back for other videos.